Imagine a future where human and animal cells combine to tackle life-threatening medical challenges. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in Japan, it's becoming a reality. Scientists are delving into the world of human-animal hybrids, known as chimeras, to revolutionize organ transplants and save lives. But what exactly are these hybrids? How do they work? And what ethical questions do they raise? Let's dive in. Human-animal hybrids are organisms that contain both human and animal cells. The primary goal of this research is to grow human organs inside animals like pigs or sheep. Why? Because organ shortages are a global crisis, with thousands of patients dying each year while waiting for transplants. What if we could grow a human-compatible kidney or liver in an animal and save a life? This is the dream driving this research, and Japan is at the forefront. In 2019, Japan became the first country to approve experiments that create animal embryos containing human cells. Dr. Hiromitsu Nakachi, a leading scientist in regenerative medicine, is spearheading this groundbreaking work. His team is working to grow human organs in animals for future transplantation. Imagine a world where organ shortages no longer exist. Could this research make it possible? Here's how it works. Scientists take an animal embryo, like one from a pig or sheep, and genetically edit it so it cannot develop a specific organ, such as a pancreas. Then, human stem cells, blank cells that can become any type of tissue, are injected into the embryo. The embryo is implanted into a surrogate animal, like a pig, where it develops with a human organ growing inside it. Once fully developed, the organ could potentially be transplanted into a patient in need. It's a fascinating process, but it's not without its complications. Growing human organs in animals is complex. For starters, scientists must ensure that the human cells grow in the right places without interfering with the animal's development. One unsettling possibility is that human cells could spread to unintended parts of the animal, like the brain, raising questions about whether the animal might develop human-like intelligence. How far should we push these boundaries? Then there's the ethical debate. Is it right to create hybrid animals only to harvest their organs? Some argue that saving human lives justifies the use of animals in this way, while others feel it crosses a moral line. What do you think? Should saving lives take precedence over animal rights? Or is there another solution we should pursue? To address these concerns, Japan has established strict guidelines for this research. Scientists must monitor the embryos closely to ensure human cells do not form unintended structures, such as brain tissue. If this happens, the experiment must be stopped immediately. Embryos are also subject to strict development limits, ensuring the research remains ethical and controlled. But is this enough to alleviate public concern? Despite the challenges, the potential benefits are enormous. Imagine a world where organ transplants are readily available. Patients with kidney failure or liver disease could receive organs tailored to their needs, reducing the risk of rejection and saving countless lives. This research could also lead to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine, opening doors to treatments for conditions that currently have no cure. Japan is leading the charge, but other countries are also exploring similar research. By approving and funding these studies, Japan has set a precedent for how such groundbreaking science can be conducted responsibly. Should other nations follow Japan's example, or is more caution required? However, the road ahead is far from smooth. Scientists still face many hurdles, from ensuring organ safety and compatibility to addressing ethical dilemmas. What if an organ grown in an animal is rejected by the patient's immune system? What if unforeseen complications arise? These challenges will take years to resolve, but the potential rewards make the effort worthwhile. As exciting as this research is, it also forces us to grapple with important questions. Is creating human-animal hybrids a necessary step toward saving lives, or does it blur ethical lines we shouldn't cross? And as we push the boundaries of science, how do we ensure we're doing so responsibly? What do you think? Is this research a game changer for medicine, or a step too far? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cutting-edge science, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the future of technology and medicine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.